Scientists have discovered that cats have developed an elaborate communication system with hundreds of vocalizations to tell humans what they want or need. Read on to find out not only how cats communicate vocally, but how you can communicate with them so that they understand you too. 1. Learn how to read your cat's body language before approaching her to avoid any misunderstandings or miscommunication. Cats are extremely sensitive creatures that react well to being spoken to and treated like humans do. 2. If he yawns, snarls, bites, hisses, tries to scratch or jump into your face, back away slowly and calmly. These behaviors indicate that your cat may have been abused at some point or is afraid of something. Do not force anything on your pet if he has issues. Address them first. You can't fix whatever happened to him unless you understand what happened. Make sure you keep your distance whenever possible, especially when he gets excited and wants to play. He needs space for his own personality and energy level to soar. But approach him to give affection, food, treats, or toys only when he allows you to do so. 4. Never try to touch your cat or put your hand on him without asking permission first. This is a sign of dominance and puts your cat on edge. Don't ever hit or hurt him. Watch his habits carefully and act accordingly. Your cat may enjoy playing fetch and chasing balls or other objects for hours.